I'm going to show you a quick and easy recipe for light and crispy fish with no egg or dairy. Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees. Here are your ingredients. You can use gluten-free breadcrumbs or crushed tortilla chips. I'm using tortilla chip crumbs in this recipe. For the fish, you can use tilapia, cod, or another mild whitefish. You'll also need egg replacer, which looks like this. I like to add 1.5 teaspoons of Cajun spice blend to my tortilla chip crumbs, but this is optional. Then add the water to the egg replacer and whisk. If it's too thick, you can add a little more water, but overall you do want a thick mixture. Cut your fish. And then add the fish pieces to the egg replacer mixture, coating it well. Line a baking sheet with parchment and then transfer the cod from the egg replacer to the tortilla chip crumbs. Then place on the prepared baking sheet. And bake about 25 minutes or until the fish flakes easily. And there you have it, a quick fish recipe for healthy eating. And for a healthy side, check out my recipe for roasted vegetables. Click the subscribe button to receive more great gluten-free recipes.